He takes us on a tour of his city, and I continue a running argument I'm having with him on the Betchiks. An obsession with me because I see a policy that ignores what's happened in our cities.
Having a discussion with you about the Betcha, because in a certain sense it seemed to me that the Betcha was quite practical transport. It creates no pollution, no noise, does not destroy the roads.
I agree.
Small space.
Yes,
For all these reasons, a Betcha does not create the problems of a car.
Yeah.
And yet your policy is against Betchas.
I am concerning about the total